Today we're taking a look at the all-new M18 FUEL 18-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo kit, model number 2997-22. I cannot wait to show you the power of this. Let's get it started. Oh, what's going on, everyone? Today we're taking a look at an awesome, beastly, powerful Milwaukee combo kit. Check this thing out. Wait until I show you what comes in this thing. Alright, let's take a look at the charger real quick. This is not the rapid charge. It is your standard M12 M18 charger. You get not one, but two M18 REDLITHIUM 5.0 batteries. You will get the all-new Gen 3 super compact 1/4 inch impact and the all-new Gen 3 hammer drill. You'll also get a beefy side handle that I wish I would have used when I was recording this video. Metal and magnesium, you can't beat it. You'll also get the awesome hard case. Who even gives those anymore? We'll also be using the Bosch Daredevil spade bits. These things are awesome. I can't wait to show you. Now I can't wait to start ripping things up, but let's go over a few things. Everything that you see in this video will be posted in the description below. Before we get to all the fun stuff, let's go over some of the specs first. Now the model number for the hammer drill here is 2804-20. Extremely heavy duty build. Clutch settings 1 through 4, 25 through 40 inch-pounds. 5 through 8, 45 through 60 inch-pounds. 9 through 6, 65 through 75 inch-pounds. And 12 through 14, 80 through 90 inch-pounds. Really nice LED light that comes on as soon as you pull the trigger. It lasts for about 10 seconds. Also give you a really nice bit holder right here. Very convenient. Holds the bits very nice and tight. Extremely tough built clutch system right here. Now, two different specs here. For the regular drill, you're looking at no load RPM 0 to 550 on low and high 0 to 2000. For the hammer drill specs, no load RPM low 0 to 550, high 0 to 2000. BPM on this bad boy on high up to 32,000. From the high to low by pushing on the selector switch right here. I will say this is probably the biggest downside for me on this hammer drill, simply because it's not the easiest I have ever used. There is a little bit of force that you need to apply. Now it does feel extremely balanced in the hands, and it only weighs 3.2 pounds without the battery. Not to mention the peak torque of 1200 inch-pounds. But enough talking, this thing is hungry. We're going to feed it, and then we're going to go look at the impact wrench. We're going to go with the biggest of the bunch first. We're going to use the 1.25" Daredevil spade. If you never used these before, you should. They're awesome. They drill down, they keep it very nice and steady, and just drive right through, extremely sharp. We're going to go into a treated 4x4 first. Alright, regular drill set to high setting, turn your volume down. Very quick action, extremely powerful. Alright, let's go with the hammer drill on high setting, see what this does. Alright, let's go with the regular drill on low. Even on the low speed, it is extremely powerful. Alright, let's go into some concrete now. We're going to use the Bosch Daredevil multi-purpose bits. Go with the biggest out of the bunch, a 3/8. Alright, let's start out with the regular drill on high. Alright, it's going down like a regular drill would be expected to. I'm putting all of my body weight on this, and I cannot get it to bog down at all. Alright, nice smooth hole, but let's do hammer time. We're going to put it on high impact and just go to town. Hammer, don't hurt him. That was insane. Listen, this thing is full on professional. This is more than a DIYer ever would need. There you go. There's a hammer drill. This thing is awesome to the power of 10. It is just so powerful. I have to say that this thing has so much power that it's probably one of the only drills or impact drills that I have used that I was actually intimidated by. Very well done. Now, with that being said, let's move on to the 1/4 inch impact. The lighter of the two, only 2.2 pounds without the battery. This is the most compact impact driver on the market at only 4.59 inches in length. You got 4 different modes on this, including the drive control, which provides greater control over output speed and power. Simply push the selector button right here and it will change the modes for you automatically. Also very well built, very light in the hands. And switching between the modes, very simple to do. Alright, we're going to use the spades again to go down through the 4x4. Let's check it out, see what it does on high. You know, I have to say I really also like how these spades just take those wood shavings and bring them right out of the hole. Alright, let's try this on setting 1 and see how it does. Alright, let's bring it up to setting 2. And again, setting 3, full out beast mode. Alright, let's impact some general purpose screws. Right here is on the control drive setting. And what's nice about the control drive is it does exactly what it says. It's a control drive, so it doesn't take off on you all that fast. It really does actually offer a lot more control when you gotta squeeze that trigger. And now we'll just throw it on high mode to have some fun. Alright, let's drive a 1/2 inch lag, no pilot hole drill down through a 2x4 and a treated 4x4 on high. That is extremely impressive. No bogging down. That battery will send the power that impact needs to get the job done. Now both of these come with the POWERSTATE Brushless Motor. They deliver up to 30% faster driving speeds. Not only that, this is the smallest and the most powerful impact driver in its class on the market. It's also got the REDLINK Plus intelligence. I'm telling you, it is superior. Check it out in the description below. At the end of the day, this is an easy 5-star for me. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at www.toolreviewzone.com and we will be back with more videos soon.